मुझे ट्रेनिंग लेनी है.
I need to take training. I need to take training.
यह मेरी जिम्मेदारी है.
It's my responsibility. It's my responsibility.
टीम अच्छा काम कर रही है.
The team is doing well. The team is doing well.
मुझे ओवरटाइम करना होगा.
I will have to do overtime. I will have to do overtime.
प्रेजेंटेशन तैयार है.
The presentation is ready. The presentation is ready.
आज सैलरी आएगी.
The salary will come today. The salary will come today.
यह ऑफर कब तक है?
Till when is this offer? Till when is this offer?
यह असली है या नकली?
Is this original or fake? Is this original or fake?
मुझे बिल नहीं मिला.
I didn't get the bill. I didn't get the bill.
टैक्स अलग से लगेगा.
The tax will be charged separately. The tax will be charged separately.
होम डिलीवरी कब होगी?
When will the home delivery be done? When will the home delivery be done?
यह टूट गया है.
This is broken. This is broken.
मुझे बदल कर चाहिए.
I want to exchange it. I want to exchange it.
रिफंड कब मिलेगा?
When will I get the refund? When will I get the refund?
वारंटी कितने दिन की है?
How long is the warranty? How long is the warranty?
कार्ड से भुगतान किया.
I paid by card. I paid by card.
रास्ता जाम है.
The road is blocked. The road is blocked.
आगे मोड़ है.
There is a turn ahead. There is a turn ahead.
यह रास्ता छोटा है.
This route is shorter. This route is shorter.
यहाँ पार्किंग मना है.
Parking is not allowed here. Parking is not allowed here.
यहाँ वाहन खड़ा कर सकते हैं.
You can park the vehicle here. You can park the vehicle here.
स्पीड कम करो.
Slow down. Slow down.
हॉर्न मत बजाओ.
Don't honk. Don't honk.
जेब्रा क्रॉसिंग से चलो.
Walk on the zebra crossing. Walk on the zebra crossing.
सिग्नल रेड है.
The signal is red. The signal is red.
सिग्नल ग्रीन हो गया.
The signal has turned green. The signal has turned green.
मुझे तुम पर गर्व है.
I am proud of you. I am proud of you.
मुझे तुम याद ला रहे हो.
I am missing you. I am missing you.
मुझे अकेलापन महसूस हो रहा है.
I am feeling lonely. I am feeling lonely.
मुझे तुमसे बात करनी है.
I want to talk to you. I want to talk to you.
मैंने तुम्हें गलत समझा.
I misunderstood you. I misunderstood you.
तुम्हारी वजह से सब हुआ.
All this happened because of you. All this happened because of you.
मैं तुम्हें माफ करता हूं.
I forgive you. I forgive you.
मैं नाराज हूं.
I am upset. I am upset.
तुम मुझे नजरअंदाज कर रहे हो.
You are ignoring me. You are ignoring me.
मुझे तुम्हारी परवाह है.
I care about you. I care about you.
फोन गर्म हो रहा है.
The phone is heating up. The phone is heating up.
चार्ज जल्दी खत्म हो रहा है.
The charge is draining fast. The charge is draining fast.
Storage full है.
The storage is full. The storage is full.
Backup ले लो.
Take a backup. Take a backup.
Phone restart करो.
Restart the phone. Restart the phone.
Password बदल दो.
Change the password. Change the password.
App crash हो गई.
The app crashed. The app crashed.
Link open नहीं हो रहा.
The link is not opening. The link is not opening.